Hi, everybody. This is Crypto Rich, working with you to get rich with crypto, filling our pockets with crypto profits. And in this video, I'm going to be talking about a project that's going to give you access to a $17 trillion market.
Take the first step towards online privacy. Get NordVPN.
Apollo have produced the ultimate hardware wallet for your cryptocurrency assets, probably the most secure hardware wallet going. Use my affiliate link and the code for a discount. Please follow me on Twitter and join my official Telegram announcements channel. Also, please follow me on bittube.video. You can also follow me on Odyssey. These are both censorship-resistant platforms, and every now and then I am going to post a video which isn't going to be on YouTube. Right, this is marinetraffic.com. And you could imagine that, say, for example, this cargo vessel, in green, is taking some grain from Russia and it's going to take it across to Ecuador. Now, I know that somebody is going to buy the grain here. Some commodity trader is going to buy the grain from here for delivery to Ecuador. What I didn't know is that what happens is along the way, there is a type of trading that goes on that's trading the commodities while it's in transit. And those trades happen many, many times over. So certificates called bill of ladlings could change hands many, many times over. And those bills confer ownership of the grain. Now, this market is $17 trillion, right? And now how large is $17 trillion? Well, at the time of recording this video, the entire cryptocurrency space is $2.7 trillion. At the height of the bull run in December 2017, January 2018, the last bull run, it was $786 billion. Now, you see this guy here, he's standing next to these pallets, and each of these pallets contains $100 bills, not $1 bills, $100 bills. And if you look how large it is, that is what $1 trillion looks like. Now imagine 17 layers of that, and that'll give you an idea of the size of this market. Now, the project in question is part of the Cosmos ecosystem, which means I like it already because it will have low transaction fees and fast transaction times, and it will have inter-block communication, which allows different blockchains to communicate with each other. The website for this project is COMDEX.one. I'll have all the links in the description below. I do recommend you go check it out. I'm going to be posting an interview with the two co-founders, and that'll be up on my channel in a day or so. And in that interview, we go into depth into how this project came about and what it actually does. Now, their tagline is democratizing finance. And how does it do that? To be able to participate in this market where commodities are being traded while they're in transit requires a hell of a lot of know-how and a hell of a lot of money, the kind of money that the ordinary investor doesn't have access to. Now, what COMDEX.one does is it allows for the creation of synthetic assets which give people like you and I access to trading on the value of those commodities as they move around the world. Now, first off, what's a synthetic asset? Well, it's a derivative of a range of financial assets. Now, what does that mean? Here is a cargo ship full of cargo. This is a bill of ladling that represents some of that cargo. Let's say it represents some copper that's being transported on that cargo ship. What COMDEX will do is create tokens that track the value of that cargo. However, those tokens are backed by assets that are part of the Cosmos ecosystem. So that would be Atom, Persistence, DVPN, Akash. That's the structure of a synthetic asset. Now, part of the COMDEX project includes a synthetics exchange, a decentralized exchange, which allow for those assets to get traded. And those assets, through the process of tokenization, represent the real world assets, but they don't confer ownership of those real world assets in the way that a bill of ladling does. You're also going to be able to borrow and lend money through collateralized debt. There will be bridges to other ecosystems. You'll be able to mint from a range of synthetic assets, which will use prices obtained from reputable price oracles, and these C assets can be traded on the C-swap automated market maker. Now, the CMDX token is the native token of this project. You'll be able to stake it, provide liquidity for the liquidity pool, receive rewards that way. You'll be able to collateralize it and mint synthetic assets with CMDX as the collateral. It's also a governance token, which will allow for key decisions to be made through voting for the protocol via various proposals. Now, I recommend you check out the light paper, join the Telegram group, ask any questions that you have. There's also a Discord group. We have a comprehensive blog, which gets updated regularly and keeps you informed about what's going on in the project, including how to claim your CMDX tokens and if you're going to qualify for any through the AIRDROPs. AIRDROPs? Now, when the CMDX token gets launched, you'll be able to purchase it through one of the decentralized exchanges on Cosmos. I'm not sure which one, but that could be Osmosis, SafeChain, or Emeris. However, prior to that, if you held Atom or XPRT on October the 8th in a wallet where you had the private keys, not on exchange, then you may qualify for the airdrop. And how would you find out? Well, you click on this website and you check your eligibility, enter your wallet address, and it will tell you how many CMDX tokens you're going to be getting. Now, they haven't released a date for when the CMDX tokens will be available to be traded or when they'll show up in your wallet. So I would recommend you stay involved and connected with the project. Now, this project has been building and building for a couple of years now. I think it has a very promising future as it gives access to this large, hitherto under the radar marketplace. I invite you to check it out and do watch out for my interview with the co-founders in the next couple of days or so. Now, between now and when I see you next, please keep filling your pockets with crypto profits. This is Crypto Rich signing out. All the best. Bye-bye.